Welcome to ProRankTracker. Here's a 10-step quick guide to help you have a smooth start and find your way around easily. First, let's have a look at the left navigation menu. We have the Rankings section, where you can view your rankings data in different ways. Reports section, where you can generate and manage your reports. Manage. You can manage the account's URLs, groups, tags, saved filters, and trash. Add to track. You can add URLs and terms to be tracked. Two methods are available: Wizard and Advanced Add. Tools. You can discover terms your sites are already ranked for with the Rankings Discovery tool and get keyword suggestions. You can also find the API documentation here if your plan has API access. You can also collapse this navigation menu in case you want to focus on specific information. Now, let's start with adding your first URLs and terms to be tracked. From the left menu, click on Add Wizard. You'll enter the URL you want to track. No need to enter HTTPS or www. Enter the words or phrases you want to track. You can also get keyword suggestions. You can use the Groups section to group URLs and tags to group terms. Users can use them later on the filter views and reports. You can add it now or revisit those options later. Click Next. In the second step, you can track desktop, Android, or iPhone results and decide on which search engine. In this example, we are using Google. We can select the local Google site, location, and language. Click Save. While PRT is checking your data, let's check some other areas of the tool. PRT Settings. Click the wheel icon at the top right and then PRT Settings. In the General section, select your time zone from the list. To match your preference, you can switch the appearance from light mode to dark mode on the right. You can also change the interface and reports language if you want. Chart scale under the Reports section is also something you may want to update now. It determines how you see charts site-wide, linear or logarithmic. If you have a logo, you can upload it on the custom logo part under the white label section, so you can start white labeling your reports, and click Save. To the right of the wheel icon in the top right corner, you'll find the account user icon with the account and billing options under it. On the question mark icon, you'll find all the help options to help you with any problem or questions you may have. There, you'll find the ticket and chat support, a link to book one-on-one training, and an extensive FAQ knowledge base, tutorials, and video tutorials. Now let's go back to the URL view and see if the URL we have added to be tracked is already updated with rankings. From the left menu, click the URL view under Rankings. The URL view is the main page of our tool. It shows all of your terms rankings, ordered by URL. At the top, if you click on Filter, you can filter the data shown on the page. Under the Rank column, you'll see if the ranks have already been updated. If not, try refreshing the page in a couple minutes. The rest of the rankings columns we will get populated with time. To its right, if you click on Download, it allows you to instantly create an overview report from this page with the data you see. You can find those reports later on in Report Center under the Overview Reports. Below the Filter and Download section, there is the Stats box. In the Stats box, you'll find 24-hour, 7-day, 30-day changes in your rankings and how many terms are currently ranking in the different rank ranges. Then there's a box for each tracked URL. Inside this box, you'll see the rankings and other data for each term. By default, only 4 terms are previewed. You can click to show all by clicking at the bottom right of each table to expand it and see all terms. The default columns you see are type, term, term combination, indexed URL, rank, day, week, month, volume L, and trend. These columns are displayed by default. It's not all the columns you can display, and you can also change the order of the columns. To do that, click on the Columns and Sorting button above. At the section below the stats and above the URL boxes, there are bulk actions. Several actions you can make on URLs and terms by selecting their checkboxes first and then applying the action. Columns and sorting. Besides the default columns, you'll find more columns you can activate here. Title, base, top, language, location, engine, device, volume G, and tags. When clicking any of the columns boxes here, you'll see a number. The order is left to right, from 1 to 19, and up to 12 columns can be selected. You can change the order of the URLs boxes on the page. Change the order of the terms in the inner tables. At the right of the section, you can change the number of terms displayed per page and show all or preview on the entire page. Clicking on the small trend charts opens a window that shows you the term's rankings progress. You can also easily change the data range you want to see on that window. For a more detailed daily progress view, click on the Daily View under Rankings on the left menu. At the top left, you'll find an eye icon and a general search. Clicking on the eye icon allows you to quickly access URLs, groups, tags, and saved filters on URL view, terms on term view, and view reports. The general search allows you to start typing, and after the first 3 characters, get results quickly to view URLs, groups, tags, save filters, terms, and reports. One last important page to notice is the Manage URLs from the left menu. Here you'll see a list of all your tracked URLs, when each was added, and how many terms it has and the groups it's included in. Also, when you hover over each URL row, you'll have a quick access at the right to several tools and reports. URL View, Daily View, Full SERPs, Rankings Discovery, and Keyword Suggestion already filtered with this URL. You will find Edit URL, Add New Terms, and delete or restore the URL's terms. That's it. Enjoy your ProRankTracker journey. We hope that you'll see how important PRT can be for your business in no time. For our more in-depth section reviews, check out tutorials, video tutorials, knowledge base, and feel free to contact our support team with any questions you have.